Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most easy recipe for Greek coffee ice cream. It's amazing, super simple. I have a similar recipe. If you click this link, you can see how I've made it in the past using an ice cream machine, but this recipe you're gonna want to check out. It's amazing. To get started on making our super easy Greek coffee ice cream. I've made this recipe before for you guys, but I've made it with an ice cream machine. So today I wanna make it without a machine. We're gonna make it, we're gonna put it in the freezer, and it's gonna be amazing. So I have hot water, 2 tablespoons of hot water. I have 1 tablespoon of instant Greek coffee. I'm just using frappé. And 2 tablespoons of Greek coffee. We're gonna leave that. We're gonna leave it in this little bowl, the hot water, and put it aside so it can dissolve. Perfect, leave that aside. Now we're gonna take our mixing bowl. We're gonna take 2 cups of heavy cream. In here. We're gonna use our hand mixer. Perfect, and we're gonna mix this until we have nice stiff peaks. So you're gonna whisk this until it's nice and stiff. You can see this. So next, we're gonna take our mixture and we're gonna take our condensed milk. So we're gonna fold this in to our mixture. And condensed milk is gonna add the sweetness to the ice cream. And now we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. So now we have our Greek coffee mixture that we already mixed our instant and our Greek coffee into the water. So I'm gonna add that right here. We'll add that to our mixture. Fold that in. So once you continue folding it in so that you get all the coffee mixed in, we're gonna add our vanilla, just 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're gonna add, perfect, a pinch of ground cardamom. And this is optional, I'm just doing a tiny pinch. This is just add a little bit of spice. So you're gonna continue your folding motion to get all the ingredients nice, well incorporated. Look at that. This took only 10 minutes, nice and easy recipe. We're gonna put this, nice refreshing for the summer. So now we're gonna transfer this, just like that. Look at that beautiful mixture. I'm gonna transfer it into a loaf pan, and then we're gonna put it right in the freezer. Spread this out. Now I'm gonna cover it with saran wrap and put it in the freezer, and it's gonna sit in the freezer for about 6 hours. We want it nice and frozen, nice and firm, so that we can scoop it and enjoy. So I've taken this out. I actually let it sit in the freezer overnight. I say at least 6 hours until it's nice and set. Look at this ice cream, amazing. No churn, no ice cream machine. This was so simple. So let's see how it came out. Oh, it's perfect, nice and hard. We'll scoop this. Look at that beautiful color. Coffee ice cream. And I have these Greek wafers. These are hazelnut wafers. I'll link them on my Amazon store so you guys can purchase them at home. I'm gonna put a little wafer on top and crumble this one. Look at that. Amazing, so easy and simple. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.